Alright, quick update on the Nova. I've got it in second prime, except for the hood. I just did set the hood on. And so far it's looking pretty good. I found a couple dents after sanding the primer. I got one there, one there. This side's not too bad. I haven't adjusted the trunk lid yet. I gotta grind some metal out. Tight around the car right now. But here's where I found most of my dents. One here, 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 and I got a couple up here that I've got to do. I got to run in the primer. Before I primed it again, I did another coat of epoxy primer, and then went right over top that with the primer. And I had to run in the epoxy primer, so it doesn't look too healthy right there. But so far it's turned out pretty good. I got a low spot in the door there where they've hit something. Fender fitment, I'm not at all happy with it. This hood, this whole side was rolled under. This piece of metal was sticking out. I couldn't even put the cowl on at the time. I had to bend all this back straight, hammer it, and get this somewhat decent. I haven't finished sanding it. I got distracted with the new motor. I got two dents right here. You can definitely see those. I'm gonna have to hammer them down and go from there. This corner, I don't know if I showed you in one of the videos, it was rolled under, and even when I straightened it out, it didn't have a good gap. So I had to put a little more filler there than I would really like to. And I got a little hole right there I missed. So I still got to fix that. The interior, I did clean up. I can't tell now, but I mean the seat come out good. I was very surprised how good it all cleaned up. It's brittle. I grabbed that and did that. The floor, well, I guess you can't see in the light. The door panels, they're just setting on there, but they're in great shape. So here's the front tires and wheels I'm going with. And the back tires I haven't mounted on the wheels yet because I'm going to sandblast the wheels. Those front ones are off the Chevelle. And with the tire, I got these in a trade. 28 by 9s, 15s. And they've only got 2 or 3 passes on them, so they're still good. It is not the ideal tire, but this is a complete budget build, so it's gonna have to do. I can't afford headers right now, so I'm using the manifolds that come off the RV. I got a used water pump I'm putting on it. And the motor's over here. I've got it hit together. The new heads are on it. I put what's it, Isky Racing somewhere. I have Isky Racing valve springs I put in them. And definitely a big difference from stock when I was trying to compress them to put them in. This is that junk intake. I shot it with a little bit of paint and it looks okay. It'll do. I'd rather have a Edelbrock RPM air gap, but for now it'll be okay. I still have the old sprocket down here at my house. I didn't have the jaws to remove it, so I'm going double roller, as you can see. So it just won't work. But that's where I'm at as of now. Just figure I'd give you a quick update. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe.